So first up, we're going to have 2 of the Mountain Dew Energized from Australia. And we're going to have 2 of the Mountain Dew Supernovas from Finland. And next up we have the Oreo Remix Tiramisu and Vanilla from Romania. And last up we have Kit Kat Chunky Peanut Butter, one of my all-time favorite candy bars. If you haven't tried it, highly, highly recommend. And as a thank you for your order, I'm going to throw in one of the brand new Nestle Kit Kat Neapolitans from Australia. And as always, if you would like to see your order filmed, please comment below. Thanks.